Welcome to our guide on fixing the Windows 11 update error 0x800f0983. We'll walk you through a step-by-step process to successfully install update KB5074105. Let's begin by understanding the problem. This error code 0x800f0983 appears when the Windows 11 update KB5074105 fails to install. We'll explore several methods to resolve this issue. Our first method involves pausing and resuming the Windows update. This simple step can reset the update process, making it easier to install the update. Next, we'll ensure that key Windows services are running correctly. Restarting these services can resolve update issues effectively. Repairing corrupted system files is crucial. We'll guide you through running SFC and DISM scans to ensure your system files are intact. Before manually installing updates, it's important to identify your system version. This ensures you download the correct file from the Microsoft Update catalog. Once you've identified your system version, you can download and install the update manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. Reinstalling the current version of Windows can resolve update issues without affecting your personal files or settings. This method is straightforward and effective. Creating installation media is a comprehensive repair method. It reinstalls Windows while keeping your personal files and apps intact. Running the upgrade involves mounting the ISO file and following the installation steps. This ensures a fresh start for your system. In conclusion, one of these methods should successfully resolve the installation error for update KB5074105. We've summarized the solutions for your convenience.